guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an unboxing, actually in Larissa's Summerween Halloween swap. It was basically make 3 swaps and you're gonna get 3 little Halloween swaps back. Super excited. This one is from Michelle, who is Bay Area Crafts, and then also this one. I was like, girl, did you send 2 swaps? And then this, same with Larissa. She sent this, and I think this is from her. I'm pretty sure. And then this one is from Marissa, who is the Pink Ape on Instagram. Okay, so first one, look how cute. And she did clip it on there. Oh my gosh, she's the Prima 31. And I love this, like, is that 2 different pom-pom trim? Oh, very smart. She layered up just pink and black on top of each other to make it look like, I'm like, where did you get this pom-pom? Little star trim. I love the little ghosties cheeks. Super cute bag topper, and she clipped it so that we can reuse it. We got some, oh, she's, girl, did you do everything so we could reuse it? Look at the little flowers on here, the tulle, the embellishment, the doily, everything. That's such a good idea. I don't know how to do that though. I feel like I have to glue it. Super cute. Oh my gosh, everything we can reuse. Right, her embellishment box. Okay, so she's got some fall little leaves in here. Sunflower, little fall flower. Another little baby sunflower, some pom-poms. I think those are from Hobby Lobby. Some trim. Ooh, look at these little spiders in all the different colors. Gold, silver, white, and black. Little bone. Here's some more fall leaves. Oh, look at these pumpkins. These are like hard, heavy duty. Oh my gosh, look at this squirrel. So cute. Some little pom-poms. Little black diamond spider. And then she's got these cute little like skull erasers that you could turn into charm. Oh. Some more little leaves. I think those are from Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh, and here's another squirrel. Some more pom-poms, and then little like gemmies at the very bottom. And then here is her swap. There's her information. Bay Area Crafts. This. Oh my gosh, she made like a shaker. Kayla's Craft literally just did a tutorial on this. It's inspired by Bona, and then Kayla was inspired by me to make it a shaker version, and then Michelle did this. Oh my gosh, so cute. And where did you get this purple tinsel trim? Guys, this whole front panel is a shaker with spider webs, purple. I love this little cluster right here. She did some paper tearing. And look at the inside. These are bows. I forgot what we were supposed to make. A bow? Maybe an embellishment? Look how cute. It has like the little spider back piece, and then she's got a little like spider as the center. This one has like a little flower, and she used vellum. So pretty. And you made a lot of them. Love the packaging. So cute. And then here's this. Let's talk about the chocolate first. I love getting chocolate and candy just because it's my excuse to be eating it. Oh my gosh, is this a charm? Look at that cute little bat charm. She turned it into a like a little clothespin. Let's see what we got in this bag. We have a sequin mix. I think we're supposed to make a sequin mix. I like that you just tied the little spider web on there like that. Super cute idea. It's like all the Pastel-Halloween vibes. She's got little black stars in there and polka dot ones. So cute, Michelle. And then she's got a little purple spider in here just as an accessory. And then she's decorated it trick or treat and wrapped that like bead stuff around it. It's in this cute little Dollar Tree bag. Little kitty bag. Aw, she's included, these are from the 99-cent store. This one says Happy Halloween. I don't think I have this one. I have a different one, but not this one. Yes, so cute. Definitely using that for my home decor. Okay, and then this, she used a little like muslin style bag. Ooh, let me guess, socks, something squishy. Oh my gosh, unicorn. Halloween unicorn. Yeah, I definitely did not see these at Dollar Tree. And it's got like glittery spider webs all throughout this. So fun. I love like not character, well that too, but like holiday. There we go. Holiday socks. And then look at this, is super fun. You can probably see me in the reflection, so I'm gonna aim it this way to my mess. I love that she used all these different ribbons to like just tie it. Love this one and this one. Okay, let's, oh my gosh, she's included Happy Planner stickers, a ton of them. Like this, Happy Mail, today, stars, weekend, treat yourself, pizza night. So that's like to-do stuff. And then we have Joe. She's included some border strip dies. I literally just won some of these in her giveaway. Cute little fall. Oh my gosh, look at that pie. So cute. Fall themed stickers. This one, the little red truck, the little pie and stuff. Little sunflower. Very, very cute. Okay. Thank you, Michelle, because we didn't know who we were getting. It was kind of just, it's like my swaps. You submit, the host scrambles them around, and then not everybody gets the same partners, so there's no specified groups, if that makes sense. Okay, so that was everything from Michelle. This is from Larissa. She is actually the host, and I'm so super excited to get in on it. So look at this chunky monkey dangle. Cute little spider, all these wire wrap beads. This one's like an oval shape. Look at this little bow, candy corn. I love the little boo. She even added like pops of yellow, which I absolutely love that. It's so cute. Little black star. I love this big one at the bottom. So cute. Okay, let's pull everything out. Cute little bag. Okay, let's see what this guy is. Oh my gosh, look at this ribbon. I'll be saving this. Look how cute. She did a little, oh, that's like an acetate rosette. Cute little Michael sticker on there. It says Eek. She's layered it up and did some little Nouveau drops. This is probably her sequin mix. Let's see. So, you know, we cannot trust this stuff in transit. Ooh, look how stinking, oh, stinking cute. She has Hishi beads in here. This is such a good idea. I always forget to use those things. White pumpkins. Oh my gosh, look at these cats. Little cat clay bits with yellow eyes, candy swirls. What are these little sharp ones? Are those Cartwright sequins? Ooh, so cute. I love the big giant pink ones. Such a gorgeous, fun mix that goes with that new collection that I'm pretty sure that she used for this when I saw some of her sneaks. I love these little bags. I don't know where everybody keeps getting them. Oh, this is her embellishment box. Fun little sequins on the bottom. Look how stinking cute, you guys. And she used the little, it's like the 99-cent store, the Dollar Tree has these little, like, I don't know what they're for, seed beads maybe? A little belly band. Look at the cute little bats. Oh my gosh, look at this tiny little ghosty. Little chipboard piece. Love the ruffle trim at the bottom. Okay, I know this is a belly band. Let's see if it, I think it pops off. Yes, it does. Velcroed on there, and then she just taped the bottom so it stays. Look at how cute. So we had to make a tiny embellishment box, or a small. She's got little wire wrap beads in here, some gemmies that go perfect with the collection, some like geometric glittery bows. Oh my gosh, those are candy corn clay bits. Oh my gosh, so cute. Diamond dots in pink and orange. Cute little heart charms. And then this one, she's got like little Halloween, like spider charms, pumpkin charms. Ooh, I like that star one in there. Okay, let's see here. And then this one, more wire wrap beads and skull bead. Oh my gosh, what are these? Oh my gosh, cherries, little black cherries, or is those balloons? Balloons are cherries that are black. Super cute. And she's got some black and white. And I also submitted a super tiny embellishment box. You literally cannot get more than a couple things in there. So I feel you, girl. Look at the cute little pumpkin Spidey on the top. This is such a cute way to do this one. So super cute. This says you are so spooktacular. She's got the cute little Dollar Tree pumpkins. Oh, is this a cupcake liner? I do not know how to make a rosette with a cupcake liner. Not yet. I gotta like look at a YouTube video because I tried one time and smashed it and it was hideous. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. A cute little ghosty girl. Boo Thickers. You are wicked cute. I love the little pink spider web in the background. It's like a super glittery one too. Gorgeous. A little hollow strip in there. So fun. I think that's everything. And I'm pretty sure this is from her. Look at this tiny little, yes it is. Thank you for joining the swap little coffin goodie. Oh my gosh. Candy Eek. I love the little bat. Oh, look at this cute little spider web in a tinsel trim. And this guy opens up. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I love little embellishments like this. She's got the cute little spider with spider web dangling. I love the thicker black How come my yarn doesn't look, not yarn, thread doesn't look like that? The tinsel, the hollow, I love it. And here's another one, Happy Halloween. Let's use the little tiny puffy stickers on these guys. Little embellishments like this is the perfect time to use those puffy stickers. Gosh, she included some Halloween charms. I cannot get enough of Halloween charms, you guys. Look how cute. These ones are like just standing tall skellies, and then these ones are bat ones. Thank you, Larissa. And look, you guys, to prove, these are Halloween charms that I've just hauled this fall, which is kind of scary. Not including the ones in my charm stash. So I need to slow my roll. And this was her little, I think you could do handmade or store-bought goodie. Oh my gosh, girl, you went above and beyond. And look at this cute little bag. I will totally be reusing this. It says rest in peace, spooky. Love it, girly. Ooh, look at this fancy boot. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I think I've only ever played with the larger version of this die, but I love the mini one. She added the little diamond dots on here, the ruffle sock. So fancy. Oh my gosh, look at this cute cat. What die is this? Cute little kitty shaker. She's got all the fun neon pinks, candy corn. Oh, look at that little white pumpkin in there. And this itty bitty bow. Where's this bow from? So cute. And the like tinsel and the cat's hair. I love this. So, so precious. Oh my gosh. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh. She made, I don't know how you guys are making these things. There must be a kit or something to make these. Cute little skelly girl, her little heart, her button heart. And then again, this tiny, is this the same bow? Girl, you're gonna have to let me know where this bow's from. How adorable. And you guys, I think you have to hand stitch this thing. So cute. And then the famous Dollar Tree stickers. This is kind of like what her whole collection was based on. There is also a printable on Etsy as well. So, so cute. I love it. And then, oh, look at this. Was this year? I've never seen these. Look at that. You guys, I'm a weirdo, but I have a thing for like these paper pads. I don't know why, especially when they have a magnet, because they just go on my fridge. And when my kids like remember to bring something on Thursday, you know, I write that note real quick and I can just write it. I can also just rip it off real quick. So I love these type of things. Eek with the little purple spider. Thank you so much, Larissa. I love, love, love everything. You guys sent so much. So I'm feeling like I didn't send enough. And then this one from Marissa. Got it in this cute little pink bag. Right, so we know everything's from her. How cute. She like embossed this in black. Too cute to spook. I love that effect. Cute little spider webs at the bottom. A little tag. Oh my gosh, this is her sequin mix. Fun shred in there. Let's see, it's candy. She's got fun purple, pink, gold. Oh my gosh, a little pom-pom at the tip. She's got orange in there, black little gold stars. So, so pretty. And this is her bow and embellishment. So cute. Look at this little bag. Oh, this is fabric. She has fabric up there, sweet and spooky. The little spider border strip. Ghosty girl with her little pumpkin. Spider with a gemmy butt. I think we can open this on the bottom. Look at her little bow. Look at that spider. Where did you get those spider dies? I've never seen these. And the spider sticker on the top, double layered. It's got spider web in between. Hot pink, love it. And then this one right here. She's got a little bat with a little bow on it. She's got some crepe paper, that fun Joann's trim. And this is like triple layered flower on here. Very pretty. Even washi tape down at the bottom. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. Is this a sticker? Yeah, it is. The pink ape. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, I saw her making these little like, what are the Christmas ones called? Like toy soldiers. She did Halloween version. So good, girly. So, so good. I think this goes up here. I think that's part of the top of his hat. So cute. And you like drew all the lines and stuff on there. And look, guys, this is just a belly band for Reese's Pieces. I can smell them. So, so cute. I love that idea. Just making it super fancy. And then this, getting scary. She's got her little sequins on here. I love the cute little pink bat washi tape. Okay, so this is her embellishment box. Ruffle trim stitched in just like little sections of it with a little Skelly Girl cameo. And she painted it. I remember her saying something about chalk something or other. I don't know. Look how cute. It says boo on the inside so you don't see paper. Look at this little Skelly Girl charm. Wire wrap beads, bows, dangles. Oh, cute. Look at these little white skulls. Gorgeous. And then here's another little Scully Girl in there. Sorry, my fat fingers can't get in there. And then we have some flowers over here. Gorgeous. I'll put them over here. Pink. Oh, look at these these are foam. Little foam spiders. These are fun. A little cameo girl. I love the Hishi beads in between. I love the look of that versus like sequins. It says boo. More little Scully skulls and a little witch. And this, oh my gosh, look at the glittery pumpkin. The girl with the bow, crossing skull bones. Look how cute those girls are. And these buttons in here, these are fancy. And then we have some bottle caps. A little die cut, can go right there. She's got like a zebra one, a solid pink, black and white, like flourish style. Oh, these ones are thicker than these ones. I wonder if these have special names. Look at this cute polka dot one. And I actually have recorded a tutorial on making embellishments with these things, so I'm excited once that airs finally. I don't know when. I gotta edit it. So cute, girly. I love it. Then one was like store-bought or handmade. Some socks. You guys, I have so many Halloween socks this year. I am so excited, and they are all different. This is like flying little witches on her fancy little broom. So cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I think that's everything. Yes, it is. Whew, such an amazing group swap. Thank you, Larissa, so much for hosting. And then I think I'm chucking out a piece of glitter. Thank you, Marissa and Michelle as well, my other two partners. Woo! Tag them down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafting video.